Hello friends, I am Mrs. Swati Dusane. Welcome our second part of degree. In the first part, we are already discussed about how to identify the degree. In the second part, we are going to discuss how to convert positive degree into the comparative degree and how to convert comparative degree to positive degree. First, we again revise our formation of the positive degree. Here is the formation of the positive degree. The formation of the positive degree is as dash as, so dash as. The formation of the comparative degree is adjective plus er plus than, or more plus adjective plus than. This is the formation of positive degree and the comparative degree. Now we want to convert positive degree into the comparative degree. But we can discuss all these things with the help of examples. Instead of starting first with rules, we are starting all these discussion with the examples. Here are the two examples of positive degree into the comparative degree. You should read the following sentences carefully and you think what is the rule behind it and try to find out the rule yourself. That how can we convert positive degree into the comparative degree. Okay? Very good. Now read the first sentence. Ram is as tall as Ramesh. Answer. Ramesh is not taller than Ram. In the first sentence, Ram is as tall as Ramesh. Here are two nouns. It means there are two subjects. And we know that this is the positive degree with the help of as dash as. In the second sentence, there is a formation of er plus than. So there is a comparative degree. Very good. But there is a change in the position of the noun. Ram took the position of Ramesh and Ramesh took the position of the Ram. So, the first change is the position of the subject is changed. Then, the first sentence, this is the affirmative sentence. But the answer is negative. We write the not. The third, there is as tall as in the first sentence, but in the second sentence, there is er plus than. And the last, the position of the noun is changed. Now, in the second sentence, Reena is not as clever as Seema. The answer is Seema is cleverer than Reena. So, Reena took the position of Seema. Seema took the position of Reena. The first sentence is negative. The answer is affirmative. In the first sentence, there is a formation of as dash as. In the second sentence, there is a formation of er plus than. So, with the help of all these discussion, we can form the following rules. In our maths, there is a formula for solving the answers. In English, there is also a formula how to convert positive degree into the comparative degree. The formula of the positive degree to comparative degree is second subject plus verb plus add not or remove not, then plus remove as dash as, instead of as dash as write down there er plus than or more plus than, and last write down the first subject. Again look at the rule of the positive degree to comparative degree. Write down second subject first. There is a confusion for some student. How to find out the second subject? There is a technique. There are two as in our sentence. So, after the second as, there we can find our second subject. दुसऱ्या as नंतर जो असेल तो आपला दुसरा कर्ता असणार आहे. After the subject, write down their appropriate verb. Then, if the sentence is affirmative, the answer is negative. If the sentence is negative, the answer is affirmative. Then remove as. We want to convert positive into the comparative. So remove as dash as and add there er plus than. If the adjective is bigger, that time write down there more plus than. And last write the first subject. एकदा थोडक्यात आपण मराठीत बघणार आहोत. इथे एकूण फक्त 5 नियम आहेत. दुसऱ्या ॲज नंतरचा कर्ता पहिल्यांदा लिहायचा आहे. त्याच्यानंतर योग्य ते सहाय्यक कार्यक्रियापद लिहायचं आहे. वाक्यामध्ये त्या ठिकाणी जर पहिलं वाक्य होकारार्थी असेल तर दुसरं वाक्य नकारार्थी करा. पहिलं वाक्य नकारार्थी असेल तर दुसरं वाक्य होकारार्थी करा. वाक्यातला ॲज डॅश ॲज काढा. त्याऐवजी विशेषणाला यार प्लस दॅन जोडा. जर विशेषण मोठं असेल तर याच्या ऐवजी वाक्याला मोर जोडा. त्याच्यानंतर मोर नंतर त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला दॅन लिहायचं आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतर पहिला कर्ता शेवटी लिहायचा आहे. नाऊ हिअर आर द एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ positive degree to comparative degree. A cat runs as fast as a dog. बघा इथेही आपल्याला दोन कर्ते दिसत आहेत, अ कॅट अँड अ डॉग. बट हिअर इज अ डिफरन्स इन अवर वर्ब रन्स. इफ देर इज अ सिम्पल प्रेझेंट टेन्स असेल, तृतीय पुरुषी एकवचनात करता असेल तर त्याला एस किंवा एस प्रत्यय लागतो. म्हणून आपण तिथे रनच्या ठिकाणी रन्स केलं आहे. अ कॅट रन्स ॲज फास्ट ॲज अ डॉग. अ डॉग कम फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स इज अफर्मेटिव्ह, सो वी कन्वर्ट इट इंटू द निगेटिव्ह. रन्स डज नॉट रन, कारण आपण नॉट रन्स असं लिहित नाही, सो डज नॉट रन. सिम्पल प्रेझेंट टेन्स असल्यामुळे डज आलेलं आहे तिथे. ॲज फास्ट ॲजच्या ऐवजी फास्टर दॅन पहिला करता शेवटी आलेला आहे. इन द सेकंड सेंटेन्स, बर्ड्स डू नॉट फ्लाय सो फास्ट ॲज द एरोप्लेन. दिस रूल वी आर ऑलरेडी डिस्कस इन अवर फर्स्ट पार्ट. इफ द सेंटेन्स इज निगेटिव्ह, दॅट टाइम वी कॅन यूज सो डॅश ॲज. सो बर्ड्स डू नॉट फ्लाय सो फास्ट ॲज द एरोप्लेन. द एरोप्लेन कम फर्स्ट. Aeroplane is a singular form, so flies. Remove so dash as, convert it faster than, and the birds. The next sentence, he reads as carefully as I do. He reads, simple present tense, so we add their s formation. He reads as carefully as I do. I do not. Affirmative sentence convert into the negative sentence. I do not read carefully. This is the big word, so more carefully than he does. I असल्यामुळे डू आला होता, पण हिला आपण डू लावत नाही, ही डज. सो रीड all these sentences carefully. Now, just like the positive degree to comparative degree, Here are the examples of the comparative degree to positive degree. Read all these sentences carefully. Mango is sweeter than apple. The answer is apple is not so sweet as mango. Red balloon is bigger than blue balloon. Blue balloon is not as big as red balloon. Friends, look here. The rules are, many rules are same in the positive degree to comparative degree and the comparative degree to positive degree. दोन्हीमधले नियम बरेचसे सारखे आहेत. पहिला करता शेवटी, शेवटचा करता पहिल्यांदा. योग्य ते सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद. त्याच्यानंतर वाक्य होकारार्थी असेल नकारार्थी करा, नकारार्थी असेल होकारार्थी करा. एक फक्त पण तो महत्त्वाचा बदल आहे. ज्या वाक्यामध्ये ॲज डॅश असेल तिथे ER द्यान करायचे आणि ज्या वाक्यात ER द्यान असेल त्या ठिकाणी ॲज डॅश ॲज करायचे. हा एकच बदल ह्या दोन्ही याच्यामध्ये आहेत. तो खूप महत्त्वाचा बदल आहे, तो आपण लक्षात घ्यायचा आहे. सो द रूल्स ऑफ कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्री टू पॉझिटिव्ह डिग्री. सेकंड सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ॲड नॉट, रिमूव्ह नॉट, देन रिमूव्ह ER plus than, then add as dash as. First subject. Write down the second subject. Appropriate verb. Add not, remove not. Remove ER plus than. Instead of that, add as dash as. Write the first subject. Understood? Okay. Here are the more examples of the comparative degree to positive degree. My house is bigger than yours. Yours means your house. This is the short form. So answer is your house is not. Affirmative, so it becomes negative. Bigger than, as big as. My house. Instead of my house, you can write there mine. Your house is not as big as mine. Means my house. Second sentence. A red rose is more beautiful than a yellow rose. A yellow rose is not as beautiful as a red rose. All the changes understood? Okay. Here are the homework for you. There are the 7 sentences I have given here. Write down these sentences, all the definition, all the formation, all the rules in your notebook. Write down these sentences. First, identify the sentence, then convert it. If the sentence is positive, convert it into negative. If the sentence is in the positive degree, convert that degree into the comparative degree. If the sentence is in the comparative degree, convert it into the positive degree. After that, I have sent you a link of test mode. This is the online test. एक ऑनलाईन टेस्ट तुम्हाला मी पाठवणार आहे. त्याच्यावर क्लिक करायचं आहे. त्याच्यावर तुमचं नाव, तुमचा वर्ग लिहायचा आहे. त्याच्यामुळे किती जणांनी तो अभ्यास केलेला आहे मला कळणार आहे. ती टेस्ट तुम्ही सोडवायची. योग्य उत्तराला तुम्ही तिथे क्लिक करायचं आहे. तुमचं नाव, तुमचा वर्ग सगळं झाल्यानंतर ते सगळ्यात शेवटी सबमिट करायचं आहे. तुमचे उत्तरं मला डायरेक्टली माझ्या रिझल्टवर मिळणार आहे. किती जणांनी अभ्यास केलेला आहे ते मला कळणार आहे आणि त्याच्यानुसार तुमची प्रेझेंटी मी लावणार आहे. वेगळी प्रेझेंटी तुम्हाला मला द्यायची गरज नाही. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? सो बी रेडी फॉर युअर टेस्ट. आय थिंक टुडेज लेक्चर you enjoyed. Okay, very good. Thank you.